Hey YouTube, this is just a quick video showing you that I'm going to do an unboxing soon and then a testing of this. What this is it was from Indiegogo that I originally sponsored back in November 11th, 2019, and I finally received it November 5th, 2020. It was out of China, so obviously there was some deal with the Wuhan and everything like that, and then there was a lot of changes, and it was over and over. Originally it was called the Pure Flame, now it's called the Flame Cube. It is like the other review I did on the BioLite, basically a product that you can use, start a fire with, and it will charge your devices, whatever you decide on. I'm going to do an unboxing here soon, and then I'll do actual use. I also have the Camp Chef Striker coming up that I'm going to do as well, so I'm excited about that. I don't really post as much as I probably should. I have a full-time job, so I sort of just do this on the side for fun. I wanted just to go and do a post, but I guess on YouTube you have to have 10,000 subscribers, and I'm not even close to probably 100. So at any rate, so this is the Flame Cube, and I'm going to be doing a review on this, and like I said, the Camp Chef Striker. So I'll do an unboxing on both first, then actually use them. So I appreciate you tuning in, and hopefully I can make some good content for you. Thank you.